In this video, I will show you how to verify your LinkedIn account to make it look official and professional. Hi and welcome to this channel. As you can tell, I have my account here, but there's no verification. There are two ways. One, you can verify your profile by using a QR code on your mobile phone, and then you're gonna verify with your face. The second one is the work experience verification. Let's say you're working for a company and you want to verify for the public to know. Come down here and experience. Right from top, you just scroll down all the way to experience. Then you're gonna click here. When you click here, you're gonna have the option to do. In my case, I'm working for myself. Currently, LinkedIn supports several forms of verification. Identify verification, the US, which is United States, Canada, Mexico, available to members with a valid government issue ID, and US, Canada, or Mexico phone number. That's the first option. But if you want to verify from India, it's available to members with a valid Aadhaar number and an Indian phone number. Just so you know, and like I told you previously, if you are not part of these countries, you cannot verify with your phone or your ID whatsoever. Then you have to opt for the workplace verifications. Like for instance, in my case, I'm working for myself. As you can see here, I don't think LinkedIn will verify my company. But the good thing is I'm within these eligible countries. In your case, the best thing is if you are working for major companies, good for you. That's the only way out if you don't live in these eligible countries. Just put in your work information and see if LinkedIn has approved your company. Companies verification, you just have to enter your company's email address, which has your first name at the company's name. LinkedIn gonna send you a verification through that email, and once you can log in to verify it, then you are good to go. I thought of clarifying that before we move on. With that established, let me show you how to do it. I'll go back, click on more, then click on this profile, about this profile, then verify for free. That's the free method to get verified. Now I have the barcode. I'm gonna pause this video, grab my phone and scan it. Then I'll get back to you. When you scan the code, a web browser option gonna pop. Then you're gonna click on the web browser option. You end up here, which is the Google Play Store. I'm using Android, but the process is the same. When it's done loading, click on open. When you click on open, it's gonna say you've successfully activated Remember Me on a new device. But this is not the end. More steps ahead. This is just you giving LinkedIn access through the mobile device. You're gonna have to scan again because you've logged in on your mobile device. Whatever you're about to do is gonna work. You click down here, verify with Clear. This is the software that LinkedIn is using to verify each account on the platform. Next, you need to enter your phone number. And like I said earlier on, it's USA, Canada, Mexico, and India. When you enter the number, it's gonna prompt you to click Get Started. On top, I have a message. You have to enter the 6-digit code or password that you receive on your mobile device. Enter and click continue. Next, you're going to have to enter your email address. This will help in the verification process because everything on your LinkedIn account should match with whatever you are entering here. Check the box down left. Then next, click on accept and continue. You're going to end up on this page. Make sure you are looking good, your face, because you have to take a selfie and no glasses. Just make sure everything look naturally you. Click continue. Then you're gonna have to do your thing, rotate your device and make sure you're gonna be centered in the circle that it's gonna provide. When it gets it right, it's gonna give you the check sign. Then you're gonna move on to next. But I've done that already. Before this page, I believe you have to check allowed or something like that. Click while using the app. Then when you click while using the app, you'll be sent to this page. Next, you need to enter your current address. But please make sure it's the same address on your LinkedIn profile because it has to match. And at the same time, they're going to use this address to verify the government ID that you're going to provide, which is your driver's license or your passport. Now, this looks like an option, but you have to share. See how it says share? Yes, share. Don't share. Please make sure you click yes, share. Because if you don't click yes, share, LinkedIn cannot verify it. Because when you check on top, it says share with LinkedIn. If the data matches your LinkedIn profile, a verification will be added to it. Please make sure you share. When you click share, guess what? Verification successfully added to your profile. And now, when I go back to my profile, you see the logo right here. This is how it works. And please take your time and do it carefully. This is the end of the tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.